Hello children, I hope you all are doing good. Stay home and be safe. Today I am going to teach you a small poem. Name of the poem is My World. It's written by Georgia Douglas Johnson. So Georgia Douglas Johnson, better known as Georgia, was an African American poet, one of the earliest African American female playwrights, and an important participant in Harlem Renaissance. Johnson wrote songs, plays, short stories, taught music, and performed as an organist at her church. She is also known for collections of poetry, which are The Heart of a Woman, Bronze, and Autumn Love Cycle, and Share My World. So here, actually, this poem is about your world. It's a very remarkable poem with a message of perseverance. So this poem describes the journey of a person recognizing their potential in the world, using a bird in flight to represent a person flying free from the limitations that would keep them from reaching their full potential. So now I'll just read each stanza and explain it to you. So, your world is as big as you make it. I know, for I used to abide in the narrowest nest in corner, my wings pressing close to my side. Here, what she's saying, everyone has his or her own little world, and each of them is unique. Unique means each is different. What is my world that is not going to be yours. Mine is different and yours is different. The poem Your World by Georgia Douglas Johnson indicates the message of how you can expand your world by achieving goals and not giving up. She uses symbols to represent the message in the poem and creates stages of how to succeed. This is also why this poem is very, very inspiring. Here now, but I sigh the distant horizon where the skyline encircled the sea, and I throbbed with a booming, and I throbbed with a burning desire to travel this immensity. Here she uses symbols such as wings and horizon to represent life and the goal of a person wants to achieve. She illustrates how the goal is impossible to reach in the first stanza. My wings pressing close to my side. In the second stanza, the horizon means here the horizon is goal. It's visible and the person tries to reach it. But I cited burning desire. That in the last stanza, the poet demonstrates how a person succeeds in reaching his or her goal. Now I battered the cordons around me and cradled my wings on the breeze, then soared the uttermost reaches with rapture, with power, with ease. Now, and I cradled my wings to the uttermost reaches. These three stages indicates the poet herself and her own experiences. Notices she uses I and my in the poem. The poet also shows how wonderful it is to succeed a goal. Furthermore, the author's word choice strongly influences the audience, such as throb, cradled, soar, rapture, power, and ease. These word choices are strong and easy to picture. As you read the poem, you will realize this poem is written in free verse form. Thus, there is no exact rhythm. The poet is trying to send the reader a message of expanding your world and never hesitate. The tone that the author uses in this poem is sincere yet spirited. Then she tells her own experience in a splendid and inspiring way in this poem. The devices and language the poet used is very effective that brings the reader into the poem. The poem to me is very attractive and full of hope, and it's very hard to fall away, not only in my mind, I hope in yours also. That's all about this book.